Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show what you're playing on Discord mobile. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Discord application on your mobile device and tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. On your profile section, go to Privacy and Safety. Scroll down and turn on the display activity as a status message. After that, scroll down again and also turn on the option Use data to make customize my Discord experience. Then go back to your profile and click on Set Status. Then click on Set a custom status and type in anything that you want and how you want your status to appear. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.